Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss the differences between dividend payout and dividend yield. Both are important dividend-related measures used by investors, but they serve different purposes. Let us explore the key differences one by one. Number 1. Dividend payout refers to the percentage of earnings distributed as dividends, whereas dividend yield refers to the annual dividend received relative to the current market price of a share. Number 2. Dividend payout measures the company's dividend distribution policy, whereas dividend yield measures the return an investor earns through dividends. Number 3. Dividend payout is calculated by dividing total dividends by net income and multiplying by 100, whereas dividend yield is calculated by dividing annual dividend per share by market price per share and multiplying by 100. Number 4. Dividend payout is expressed as a percentage of earnings, whereas dividend yield is expressed as a percentage of investment value. Number 5. Dividend payout is a company-focused metric, whereas dividend yield is an investor-focused metric. Number 6. Dividend payout indicates how much profit a company returns to shareholders, whereas dividend yield indicates how much return investors receive on their investment. Number 7. Dividend payout is mainly affected by earnings and dividend decisions, whereas dividend yield is affected by both dividend payments and stock price movements. Number 8. A high dividend payout means the company distributes a larger portion of its earnings, whereas a high dividend yield means investors receive a higher return from dividends. Number 9. Dividend payout helps assess the sustainability of dividend payments, whereas dividend yield can fluctuate frequently due to changes in market prices. Number 10. Dividend payout is useful for analysts evaluating dividend policy and earnings quality, whereas dividend yield is useful for investors comparing income-generating investments. Number 11. Dividend payout is commonly used to compare dividend policies among companies, whereas dividend yield is commonly used to compare income returns across different stocks. Number 12. Dividend payout does not consider the stock's market price, whereas dividend yield directly incorporates the market price into its calculation. Number 13. Dividend payout remains unaffected by share price changes, whereas dividend yield changes inversely when share prices move up or down. Number 14. Dividend payout is based on a company's financial performance during a specific accounting period, whereas dividend yield is based on the current market price at a particular point in time. Number 15. Dividend payout is best used for evaluating a company's dividend strategy and earnings distribution, whereas dividend yield is best used for evaluating investment income opportunities. Number 16. In summary, dividend payout shows how much of a company's earnings are paid out as dividends, whereas dividend yield shows how much return an investor earns from dividends based on the share price. To conclude, dividend payout helps investors understand a company's dividend policy and profit distribution practices, while dividend yield helps investors measure the income return generated from their stock investment. Understanding both metrics provides a more complete picture of a company's dividend performance and investment attractiveness. If this lecture was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.